Hi, I'm Kathy LaBella, registered dietitian, nutritionist, certified medical exercise specialist, and personal trainer with 3 decades of experience developing nutrition and exercise programs for individuals, athletes, and musicians. I also have a background in building and designing, renovating, and flipping homes that has led me to my current focus, home design for nutrition and fitness, where I incorporate my media background for developing homes for a healthy lifestyle in mind. Updating and renovating a home with nutrition in mind goes beyond the kitchen, creating spaces that provide health benefits and a wellness experience that not only makes us feel good, but it also elevates the value of our home. From updated, organized kitchens to easy meal prep to fine dining areas with ambiance to smoothie and beverage bars, exercise areas, and bathrooms that give you a spa-like feeling to outdoor dining and fun spaces. I help create nutrition and fitness solutions within your home that can realistically transform into lifelong habits. To learn more, please visit KathyLabellaRDN.com or peakperformancerd.com.